Sorrowing crowds watched the process of clearing up the ruin caused by Czechoslovakia's worst mining disaster. An explosion in a coal mine at Osseg started a fire which raged underground and prevented the rescue parties from extricating the men trapped below, with the result that out of a crew of 160 men, only 4 succeeded in reaching the surface. The buildings and machinery at the top of the shaft are completely wrecked, and men from neighboring mines are helping in the work of demolishing the shattered structures.